Trying to get accurate measurements with a traditional tape measure can be frustrating, especially when you're working alone. I've dealt with crooked readings, hard-to-read markings, and plenty of wasted time. So I bought and tested 5 of the most popular electronic tape measures and laser measuring tools to see which ones are actually worth your money. After using them on home projects, renovations, and workshop jobs, here's what I found.
Product number 1. Bosch GLM 100-23 100-foot Blaze Laser Distance Measure. When I held the Bosch GLM 100-23, the first thing I noticed was how compact it felt. It easily slipped into my pocket, which made carrying it around the job site much easier than a bulky tape measure. Despite its small size, it felt solid and well built in my hand. During testing, the accuracy was impressive. I measured multiple rooms and compared the results against a standard tape measure, and the readings stayed consistently within a tiny margin of error. The 2-button design also made operation incredibly simple. One button handled measurements, while the other controlled rounding options, so there wasn't a learning curve. The bright backlit display was especially useful when measuring darker areas like basements and storage rooms. My favorite part was the speed. Instead of stretching a tape across a room, I could get an instant reading in seconds. If you want a simple, reliable laser measure from a trusted brand, this one is an easy recommendation. That simplicity made me curious about a model that combines digital technology with a traditional tape design.
Product number 2. AC Potel DT20 Digital Tape Measure, 16 feet. When I picked up the DT20, it felt more like a modern gadget than a traditional tape measure. The digital screen immediately caught my attention, and the lightweight design made it comfortable to carry throughout the day. What stood out during testing was the real-time digital display. As I pulled out the tape, the measurement appeared instantly on the screen. That eliminated the need to squint at tiny markings or double-check fractions. I also liked the ability to switch between 6 measurement units with a single button press. The built-in memory feature turned out to be surprisingly useful because I could store measurements without constantly reaching for my phone or notebook. The rechargeable battery performed well throughout multiple projects, and the tape lock kept measurements stable when working alone. If you're someone who still likes using a physical tape measure but wants digital convenience, this is a great option. While testing it, I started wondering if combining a tape measure and laser measurer into one tool could be even better. Product number 3. Lexivon 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure LX201. I held the Lexivon LX201. I immediately understood why people like hybrid measuring tools. It combines a laser distance meter and a traditional tape measure in one compact package. The rubberized housing felt durable and provided a secure grip. In real-world use, this tool was incredibly versatile. For shorter measurements, I used the auto-lock tape measure, and for larger spaces, I switched to the laser mode. Having both options in one device saved time and reduced the number of tools I needed to carry. The large LCD display made readings easy to see, and the laser measurements stayed consistently accurate throughout testing. I also appreciated the magnetic hook on the tape measure. It grabbed metal surfaces securely, making solo measurements much easier. My favorite part was simply the convenience of having 2 measuring systems in one device. If you regularly move between small and large projects, this hybrid design makes a lot of sense. Still, one laser tool in this lineup offered even more advanced measuring functions. Product number 4. D-Tape 165-foot Laser Measuring Tool. I first picked up the D-Tape laser measure. The large 2-inch display immediately stood out. Compared to many compact laser meters, this screen was noticeably easier to read. The overall build felt sturdy and ready for job site use. During testing, the measurement speed impressed me the most. Results appeared almost instantly, making it easy to move through large rooms without slowing down. The accuracy was excellent, and I appreciated having multiple modes for area, volume, distance, and indirect measurements. Those extra functions became useful during renovation planning and estimating materials. The memory storage feature helped keep track of measurements without writing everything down. I also like the IP54 protection because it added peace of mind when working in dusty environments. If you're a contractor, realtor, DIY enthusiast, or homeowner tackling larger projects, this tool offers plenty of functionality. Even so, there was one final laser measure that delivered impressive performance while remaining very affordable. Product number 5. Rockseed Laser Measure 50M or 165 feet. I held the Rockseed laser measure. It felt compact and comfortable.
The addition of dual bubble levels immediately stood out because most competing models only include one. That small detail made alignment easier during testing. In practical use, this tool delivered reliable and accurate measurements. I used it for room dimensions, furniture placement, and workshop layouts, and the readings remained consistent throughout. The large backlit display was easy to read in both bright and dim environments. One feature I really appreciated was the mute mode. When working in quiet spaces, I could disable the measurement beep without any hassle. The device also includes area, volume, continuous measurement, and Pythagorean calculations, making it far more capable than a basic tape measure. The memory function helps store multiple readings during larger projects. If you're looking for strong features without spending a fortune, this is one of the best values I tested, and a great way to finish this comparison.
After testing all 5 of these electronic tape measures, I've found that each one serves a different type of user. Whether you need a simple laser measure, a digital tape, or a hybrid solution, there's something here for every budget. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability before making your final choice.